I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Consider joining us in Norman this Saturday, November 1st, for the National Weather Festival at the National Weather Center. From 2 to 10, you have a chance to learn about the National Weather Service offices and products, watch weather balloon launches, check out TV helicopters, enjoy fun-filled children's activities, visit with emergency responders, and join the Mesonet crew as we celebrate our 20th anniversary. All of this is at the National Weather Center in Norman, Saturday, November 1st. Wednesday morning, October 29th, was just a taste of what we can expect a lot more of as we ease into winter. 2 locations dropped to freezing. Camargo nudged the freezing mark with a 32-degree low. Beaver had 1 hour at or below freezing with a low of 31 degrees. Medicine Park was the warmest spot Wednesday morning at 51 degrees, 30 degrees warmer than Beaver. 79 of Mesonet's 120 sites had morning lows in the 30s. The count of the number of days with less than a quarter inch of rain has been climbing. As of Tuesday, Mangum has gone 52 days with little rain. Many Oklahoma locations have gone 15 or more days. Here's Gary with a check on drought.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everybody. Do you remember that big rain we had about 3 weeks ago? Well, that was the last good rains we've had across the state. And so with all the warm temperatures lately, drought is beginning to increase once again. Well, unfortunately, we've had a large increase in extreme to exceptional drought, the worst 2 categories, across southwestern Oklahoma, as well as intensifications across parts of northwestern and central Oklahoma. So those areas were the worst hit recently. Now, we did have that big rain a few weeks ago, but really that's it, as I said. October rainfall is very misleading as shown by the Mesonet maps. The statewide average will finish near normal, but obviously that is because of the large rainfalls across eastern Oklahoma where widespread amounts of 5 to 9 inches fell. Meanwhile, across far southwestern Oklahoma, they received less than an inch, definitely a case of the haves and have-nots for October. The haves and have-nots show up nicely on this percent of normal map as well, where the southwestern parts of the state had less than 40% of normal, and the northeast was way up around 200% of normal. Way too much red and orange on the map to call October a success, unfortunately, unless you're up in the eastern parts of the state or various other parts of the state that managed to get a little bit of rainfall. Now, hopefully by this time next week, we'll be talking about another good rain earlier in the week, so keep our fingers crossed for that one. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.